Let's talk about fairness. In a school, you have regular teachers who teach subjects like math and science, and you have vocational trainers who teach job skills. Both are shaping the future of our children. But their pay is very different. Since 2016, the salaries of regular government teachers have increased several times. This is a good thing as it recognizes their hard work. However, the salaries of vocational trainers have barely changed. They are paid a fixed, low amount, often without the same benefits, job security, or respect that regular teachers receive. Is this fair? Both are doing important work in the same schools, often with similar qualifications. This difference in pay creates a system of two classes of teachers within the same school. On one hand, you have permanent government teachers with good salaries and benefits. On the other hand, you have vocational trainers who are employed by private companies on a contract basis with low pay and little job security. This can affect morale and create a feeling of being undervalued. A trainer who feels like a second-class employee may find it hard to be motivated. This is not just about money. It is about dignity and respect for the profession. A fair system would recognize the value of all education